Welcome to another video. Today I want to show you real quickly how you can change the water tank position of your Lelit Bianca espresso machine. This is, by the way, not a new video per se. I already did it before on my other channel, but no comment there, and it was just, showing you the stuff but not really explaining it a lot. I want to actually also address that and add an additional comment layer to it, so to say. And I will also plan another future video where I want to talk about the pros and cons of the Lelit Bianca. So this is for you now. If you have any very specific questions of the Lelit Bianca or how to use it, how it is to use on a daily basis, then yeah, please let me know in the comments below. I owned it for over 2 years, and yeah, I used it actually quite a lot for dark roasts, but also for light roasts, in conjunction with a niche zero coffee grinder, so maybe keep that in mind. And yeah, if you have any questions there, just let me know. But now I want to actually get started and show you how to change the water tank. So here you remove first all the moving parts, everything that could basically fall out, as I do here. You should also remove that part. I don't do it now, but I'll do it later. And the first screw that goes off is that here at the top. Very easy actually, just as a spring, so it just pops out. The next one is at the bottom. You can see it here, it's on the back. Again, just very easy with the spring. And while you're already here, you could also open up all of this to get here all the stuff moving. You should also unplug those. I'm not doing it here either at this moment, but I will do it later. And yeah, it's just to be on the safe side so you don't break anything. Now you wiggle it out here at the bottom and at the top, and yeah, just move it to the other side. This cap you can remove with the screwdriver. It takes me just way longer than it should because I'm also holding the camera with the other hand, but usually it's actually quite easy. And yeah, as soon as it's loose, you can just, as you see, move it here, or could put it at the other one if you want to. And yeah, that's almost already it. Now you just move it around a bit, and you start basically at the top here, which I'll show you now again at the close-up. So that's the easier one. You just move it in here, and the lower part is not in yet, and then you just squeeze it down a bit, and then it actually you see it's almost there. You can already start screwing back in the one at the bottom, which I do here. Also get all the wires at the bottom back in. Here you see again a close-up, how it should look like, or how I basically left it. You can also plug all those other wires back in, and then of course at the top, that one goes back in. And now you just reassemble everything. The water tank goes back in, the top plates, also that one here, and yeah, this is how it looks like with the water tank assembled to the side. Okay, and that's it already. Now you know how to change the water tank position. By the way, in my case, just so you know why you would even want to change the water tank, my kitchen is rather small, so if I would move the machine in a corner all the way to the back, the water tank is of course in the way there, so moving it to the side really helped a lot back then. Also, it makes it way easier to add new water or change the water tank, stuff like that. So it's really something you could think about if you haven't changed yours yet. Also again, if you have any question about the Bianca, let me know in the comments. As soon as the follow-up video is done, where I also talk about the pros and cons of this espresso machine, then I will probably show it somewhere here. Until then, thank you for watching and see you next time.